Hey guys, so today's job was a Colorbond fence installation in Wilson. As you can see, it was a storm damaged hardy fence that we took down and replaced with Colorbond. And I hope you enjoy the video. Take care. Hey guys, so this job we're at now, we've just finished, is a Colorbond fence replacing a damaged hardy fence. The colour is Monument. We've used 2700mm posts with plinths all the way along. We've done the crossover that you can see behind me, and we've gone right the way through here, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. Big transformation. I'll turn the camera around so you can have a good look. Hope you like it. Okay, so we've cleaned up nicely. We had to obviously dig all this up, but as always we like to leave everything nice and clean, so you wouldn't even know this fence has just been put in, would you? It's nice and clean. So we've come across here and installed the crossover. We've gone all the way down. The other side is lower, so these posts are 2.7 meters long, and there's a plinth that goes underneath the fence to hold the sand back. And as you can see, is right there. We've even neatened this whole area up for them. This was a mess before, so I cleaned that up. And yeah, it's because there's a pool on the other side there. We used some temp fence to secure it while we were building it, just to make sure everything's nice and safe. But yeah, looks good. I even dug out this old bloody, it was right there, right where that post was going. A big deep cell battery. It's actually pretty big. It might not look like it on here, but there's my hand. It's pretty big. Would have been cool if it worked, because got a solar panel at home. A nice big deep cell like this would be perfect for the camping. Well, anyway, also forgot to mention when I was doing this fence, I mean, there's been no one at home when I'm doing the fence, they've been at work, but I've made a friend. This little guy, he's cool. Hey, you've been keeping me company. I miss you, buddy. Take it easy. He's an old fella, but he's been keeping me company. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I think he's glad to have his backyard back. Same with the customer. Alright guys, take it easy.